Have you ever asked yourself, when am I going to make it big? When am I going to reach the heights that I've always been wanting to reach? Everybody else seems to, but what about me? I ask myself that question. I'm Janet Perez Eckles with a 2 to 3 minute inspiration for you. Those questions are asked whenever you are so frustrated and you haven't found that level that you've always been wanting to reach. David is a good example. But David reached that point by following 3 steps. Are you ready? You and I can follow them. They all begin with the letter H. The first one is heart. Where is your heart at? See, David's heart was with the Lord. He focused on him. He believed in his power. He looked to him for strength. That's why he was chosen to kill Goliath. He had what it took, according to God. He had the right heart. Second is hour. The timing is perfect. It was for David. When God called him to do that, to defeat the giant, to defeat Goliath, it was the exact timing that God had planned. You see, God has the same thing for you. He has planned the perfect moment, the right situation, and the perfect place to take you to that height that He has planned for you. So let's look for that hour and the moment. The third one is heights. You can expect God is going to take you to the highest heights, exceeding your expectations. So what you do in this step, you claim that, you believe it, and you say, Lord, because of your power, because of my heart being right, and because your timing is perfect, I'm going to reach that height. I'm going to reach goals beyond what I expected. And yes, I'm going to be in that place that I always dreamed of. It can happen. Happened to David, it will happen to you. Just remember, where is your heart? Is the hour the right hour according to God? And are you believing on the heights God is going to take you? I think you will be successful and you'll be able to surprise yourself at what God can do for you. I hope this little inspiration helped you today. And as always, my passion is to help you, to inspire you. My mission is to serve Christ Jesus. For watching this video, I have a gift for you. Go to giftfromjanet.com. That's giftfromjanet.com. As always, if you like, share, sign up for my YouTube channel. That would be pretty cool. Until next time.